Hello, this is how we Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a setup, very basic tutorial guide in this case if you don't know. So you have the power button here, or could be here, depend on the device. Press that for a few seconds and hold. So you can see Apple logo in this case. Wait for a few seconds. In the second step, you have to decide your language, Spanish, English. Here I hit English, put your country. At the moment I am in Spain. So here we go, put your country. I put here in Spain, select the language. So here, setup manually, quick setup. You can do a quick setup connecting with your another Apple device. If you have iPhone, you can put near, you can do that. But I don't want to do a quick setup. I want to do manually as a new device. Setup manually in this case. Then you have to connect with the Wi-Fi. I put here Wi-Fi, put the password. So Wi-Fi is connected, is done. I hit continue here, create a password. You can see here password option. I put here passcode option. So you can put a custom password, 6 digit, don't use password. So in this case I don't use password. Don't use password. So without any password. Now here, if you want to data transfer from another iPad or iPhone here, if you want to do that, you have many options, read them. I don't want to do any transfer. I want to use as a new. Here you have to put your Apple ID and your password. If you don't have Apple ID, you can hit this option and create an Apple ID. If you don't have, check my video description. You can create your Apple ID very easily. So after putting your account and password, you'll get this option. It says terms and condition. So here you have one option, agree and disagree. Obviously to use, you have to agree this one. Now here, location service, enable location service, continue, don't share, continue, 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 get started. And it's done. So setup is done. Your Apple iPad mini is ready to use. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.